Huh. This is one of them pieces from downtown. Oh, it's just drizzling, kinda. Ah, 53. Ah, the beach find from the other day. We went. Tracy's King Crab Shack, you know, $100 a plate. Big old line. It's like a 50 degrees and 1,000% humidity. Well, here we are once again back at the beautiful beachside estates of Beaker Del Mar with our beautiful cohorting co-host George, who is still happily chilling on the pill. Alright, George? Right. And what do we got today? Pike Kilt Lifter Scotch Ale. Pike Brewing, Seattle. Kilt Lifter Scotch Ale. Landmark craft. I don't know what the heck's going on. We got a ship, a pig, an airplane. Looks like a squid or something. I don't know. Fresh. So this beer is all over the place as far as the labeling. Well, we got 7.6% alcohol. I don't know what we're gonna get here. Boy, is it raining. Smells Pilsnerish. Got some nice carbonation. Kind of mild. Got a little bite to it. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah, and this was a 6-pack that was like hiding in the corner. The last one. Holy smokes. 7/16/24. Oh, that's pretty fresh. I do it. Yeah, nice amber color. Quite a bit of fizz. Wonderful. Yeah, we got a special weather alert for the area. And today and tomorrow we're supposed to get anywhere from 3 to 7 inches. Yeah, that's rain. But I mean, some places, probably where you live, if you got 3 to 7 inches, you'd be like flooded. But here, everything just, we're on the water. It's already wet here. Can't get any wetter. Yeah, it's a steamy 50 degrees. 10,000% humidity. I don't know what we're gonna do with the wood scene. Gonna have some serious wet problem getting the fire going. Still got my ugly hammer. Big green boat there. Must be one of them adventure cruises. A little trolling going on. If the wind's even clean. Yep, Disney. That's a miracle, I think. Got a little barge action out there. Barge action. Huh. Been nursing this fire. Shit's pretty damp. I had a empty cigar backpack and a piece of plastic from the pastrami wrapper, so and a little piece of sappy bark. What I found. Well, damn. Got this fire going pretty good. Boy, was that some work. Hey, we're lifting our kilts here. They're still in pretty good shape. Found a little wood. Of course, my cigar is a little damp. Well, like they say, it walks like a duck, it talks like a duck, and you smack it on the ass and it lights up. Never mind. Let's not go there. Well, the rain calmed down a little bit. Oh yay, we got the flour tortilla. And a really hot ass rock. My gloves are steaming there. So yeah, flour tortillas. Swiss cheese. Pieces of pastrami. Got some ashes all of a sudden. It's a fake Grey Poupon, the generic. Excellent. Hot. Well, the wind is picking up. I don't know, I left my camera on last night, so I got 2 hours of dark and about 6% battery. That's not good. And I have my power pack plugged in, so it's dead. Looks like the rainforest camping adventure is coming to a close. Yeah. Freaking wet. Even my dry wood is wet. Oh, the wind is picking up for sure. So is the rain. It is gloomy. Damn. Well, definitely getting a good flow of water on the ground here. Hopefully there's no mudslides between here and home. Yeah, soaked. The lights are on.